I'm from Michigan. Sometimes I wonder if I ever, like, am at work and somebody has, in Michigan, crossed my screen, you know? And then come in there and be like, I've seen her on TikTok before. Yeah. I'm pretty cool. I mean, I get the vibes that I clean, I cook. I'm clean. Let me tell you, I got this ring. That's gonna be the song I'm playing in Dollar General today. You better be square, but. No, I'm kidding. I would not. I'd get fired. I know better. I think, like, I play, like, a little bit, like, I got Elastic Heart by Sia playing, but the raw version of this. But when you hear it for the third time in the store, you're like, fuck, like, no, this ain't it. I like Mexican food, like tacos. I've had asada one time. I like quesadillas. I've never had, maybe the asada I had was kind of asada. Because now that you say that there's different kinds, I'm like, oh yeah, the meat one. Stirring sausage and 3 cups of milk. What about flour? Oh, it is. It said flour and stirred for sausage. That makes sense. Medium. Heat until it thickens. Turn off the. Okay. I can fuck with that. Hi, Eric. Okay. Yeah. I can do that. Take hot tea. That's actually a good thing. I should probably drink tea right now. I've been told. I'll make tea right now. Thank you for the love you so much. Now you're chilling out there. Dude, that's how, nah, fuck that. That's how my work's singing to me right now. I want you back. I know you're out there, somewhere far away. We need you as an employee every fucking day. So they're giving me my son's birthday off next Tuesday. Thank God. But I work tomorrow, I work Monday. I'm supposed to work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you know, the rest. But I get Tuesday off. Ah! I'm so excited. I get more excited about that shit because it's my son's birthday, bro. Like, I'm refilling the water pitcher. I'm so notorious for this. You come in my kitchen when I'm cleaning, you are going to see me filling this fucking thing every time. Excuse my language.